Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving us a coupon for 100 euros. Okay, I'm going to be giving us a code that we can use to get the 100 euro coupon. If you're in the US, you can get a $100 coupon. If you're in Canada, you can get, in fact, wherever country you're at, you can get this coupon, 100 euro coupon, in your own currency. Now all you have to do is click on the search bar in the Temu app and type this ACR 609164. Okay, so after you've typed this, just click on the search icon and search for it. Now there is a condition here. This is only for new app users. All right, if you're an existing user and you've been using Temu for a long while, it's not going to be available to you. But if you're a new app user, it's definitely going to be available to you. Alternatively, you can use my link. It's going to be in the description box and also in the comments. You can use my link to download the Temu app, and once you do that, automatically this coupon bundle is going to be available to you. Like I said, it's for new app users. Okay, so just use my link, download the app, or search for this code. You can download the app and then search for this code in the Temu app. But I advise that the right thing to do is, if you don't have the Temu app on your phone, you're not a user, use my link, download the app, and you can still go ahead to search for this code in the Temu search bar. All right, but even as a new user, you're going to be getting a lot of welcome gifts from Temu. All right, so let me know in the comment section if you've tried using this code and it works for you. Let me know. All right, I'll be looking out for your comments in the comment section. Anyway, thank you for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Bye.